here in Hamilton checking out a leak. And what we would normally do if we installed this roof is we would install flashing right here, and it would be put on before this drip edge. And then see how you can see up in there? That would actually be aluminum, and then that shingle would go right over the top, go right to the flashing, and it would seal that off. They've got a mess right there. We'll go to the other side, because once you see one side, usually it's done like that on the other side. Yep. Same deal. That water can just go right in there and cause big leaks. I did get a piece of aluminum there. Better call Be Dry. 217-224-8072. It's been the Be Dry Minute. Good day, folks.